Indeed, Renew Hope is at work. It's not my statement, but it's that of the residents of Owoade Area Council. Sir, how did you feel when the beneficiaries of this project are giving you such kind and such accolades?
Well, we're happy when the people are happy. When people express their happiness over the performance of government, that of course energizes you, tells you that yes, you are doing the right thing. When we went to Aguma Palace, we saw the enthusiasm of the people there, the market people, the residents. They showed how happy they were. They were shouting, Renewed Hope is working. And that is what we have assured Nigerians, that Renewed Hope is not just mere talk. It's something that has come to stay, something for Nigerians will appreciate. Now again, we're A2 to Pi. You can see, you won't believe that this is a road in a satellite style, even having a street lights. I thank God Almighty that we're able to accomplish this, and that's what I've always said. When you have the right leadership, Mr. President has shown the right leadership. There's no magic about it. When you have the right leadership, you're about to achieve the results. All those working with you will queue, knowing fully well this is their vision, knowing fully well this is their mission, knowing fully well that you are committed to it and you want to achieve results. So nobody will have excuses to give. And again, the President has given us all the necessary support. So what again that you're lacking, what again will be an excuse that you're unable to perform. So we're quite happy that the promise we have made, we have fulfilled it.
Honorable Sir, how happy are you that the contractors are giving you quality of work done, especially in the rural areas?
How would you ask me how happy I am that I'm getting a quality job? How bad would it feel when you are not getting the quality job? I mean, it speaks for itself that you paid money and they are giving you what you have agreed. Actually, you'll be very happy. Do you want me to be sad that they are doing a quality job? So that's my answer.
Your Excellency, the residents are happy, but they are keen on when with other sector start coming alive, like education and health.
You see, because we have not taken you to the schools, don't worry. One by one, we've done a lot of works on schools, and we wish that we'll take you around. After the commissioning of the road infrastructure, we'll take you around and take that phase to the commissioning of schools. The schools we have done were renovated and furnished. It's more than 60 schools, you know. But I can tell you, no sector will be left abandoned. Every sector will be focused on. But again, you know, the road network is what brings development. When there are no roads, which school will you go to? When there are no roads, which hospital will you go to? So first of all, the key thing felt that drives development is road network all over the world. Now, if you're talking about agriculture, how do you go and bring your produce when there's no road? So those who are farming here now, they will be happy that we look, there's road. We cannot take our produce to the city, to the market to sell. So, and this again, fighting security is key. You know, when people commit offense and there are no road to trace them, it becomes a problem. But if you see this kind of road with street light, obviously you have to think twice before you commit any offense.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This guy, come and take this.
Je ka zanna kai da all purpose aka ce maka.
So there's one chandelier already up. There will be one left, one right. Yeah. They installed it last night. Yes.
This one?
Yes, sir. The LED.
No, you can't call it chandelier. I can't call it chandelier.
Modern style.
I don't you with modern style.
Even national.
I go it's not proper chandelier now. But I said, don't want to work. To pay you. Proper chandelier.
Go to the executive area. So, we have a couple of doors. Yeah. There will be, if I'm not mistaken, there will be TVs here and over there. Obviously, they will install the TVs at the very end.
GPS and everything. I think we can guess it. Yeah, so that people who are with, well, some of them keep their dog.
Very decent. Here you go. It's outside right now. The speakers you see on the left side on the floor. Those are 4 meters.
Passed very well. The natural tendency is that you'll be very happy. And I want to say that we're happy that we made promises, and to the glory of God, those promises are being fulfilled. Again, that's about the Lead Hope agenda. I've said severally that we are not concentrating in the cities. We are also paying attention to the satellite town. Just like what the director had explained to you is the total road length is not less than 12 kilometers. That has linked up the entire Ushapa. Yesterday we had Governor and Wale. That tells you that the government of Abimbola is also particularly concerned about paying attention to the satellite town. You know that we are also working on Kukah to Owoade organization. So we're happy. We were very, very happy. We want to commend the contractor. Like he said, the few things left should be finished on time. We believe for the first week of June, by the grace of God, we will have to start our own. So that's what I can tell you. I like that conference center. And you remember the directive of Mr. President that we should give Nigerians the best as we can. And that is what we're doing, and that's what we have done.
Your Excellency, sir, with the magnificent work we have seen here, are you considering establishing a bus terminal here?
Obviously, last time when we went to Mabushi and Yakubu, of course we will have another one at the central area. We have agreed that we are going to establish one in Wabrada and one in Buhari, so that you have people who take you from Buhari down to the city. Either you are going to the Mabushi area or to the Kubo bus terminal or to the Sectoral business bus terminal. The same thing applies to Wabrada. And by the time we have done that, you can imagine that people will be safe, people will be secured. You can now go to any bus terminal, board a bus, a taxi, and chance, except you on your own decide to go on the road to stay. In that case, government has done what they're supposed to do, so it's no longer our problem.
Okay, Your Excellency, sir, most of these projects, some are in state of completion, while others have been completed, and all of them are getting towards the celebration of the Mr. President 2 years in office. When are we likely going to start commissioning this project?
I did say, we are monitoring the calendar. I did say that if Mr. President is wisdom based on the subject to his confidence, I suspect after the Salah, I suspect that, so that we can have our own 2 weeks. All the projects will not be commissioned by Mr. President. I mean, others will also do, like schools and the rest of them. But basically, the major ones that touch the satellite towns and the major ones that touch the cities would think that Mr. President will. I pleaded according to Mr. President, 1 or 2 of the rules in the satellite town, Mr. President should be able to visit, and so that the people will see Mr. President, appreciate him for the job that he has done. I mean, to remember people, all of us know how this place was and see how it looks today. By the time all the street lights are being completed, it will be a different thing. And that's why people will no longer go and see how they will live in the city. From here to the city is how many minutes? Not up to 35 minutes. And that's the sense of, okay, decongesting the city, making people to stay within their satellite time. But if you provide the amenities, nobody will be interested in moving to the cities. Where people, urban, rural migration is because of lack of amenities and infrastructure in the rural areas.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.